everybody, Brian from STEEDA.com. Normally I'd be happy to say I'm out of the office today, but I'm going to be sitting passenger with Mayhem Hot Shoes Glenn going around the racetrack. So I don't know if this is going to be better or worse than being in the office. My bet is better.
Hi everyone, my name is Glenn Vitale. We just finished up today at Palm Beach International Raceway. We're hooked on driving during the Supercar Week venue at the racetrack today. We were out here with the 2018 Q500 and did a little testing.
And really, when Glenn says testing, what he really means is crushing egos. This is a street-driven car. We drove the car here. We're going to drive the car home. We drove it on street tires. We tracked it on street tires. Furthermore, stock brake pads. So hold on, Glenn, tell us what it is that you did today.
Well, we had a lot of fun, first of all, and there's a lot of good, stout cars out there. Happy to see that the Q500 pulled through with flying colors. We got around and passed and never saw again several Porsche 911s, some GT3s, 2s, several Corvettes, Z06s, a couple Audis, BMWs. There was a nice Ferrari, beautiful Ferrari. I think it was a 488, I don't know, I'm not up on the Ferraris. Couldn't get him, unfortunately. Really got my blood boiling, but we were able to stay with him and have a little fun with him today, so that was good.
All right, and much to Glenn's defense, I'm gonna reiterate, we drove the car here on street tires, we're driving it home on street tires. We quite literally take this Q500 to dinner tonight. Hopefully Glenn washes it if he does that, and drive it to work on Monday.